We will continue with the project session of surface. We are going to create this model. Here we will learn all the applications of surface. Let us start with the simple arc patch and we extrude this. So for this I will be opening the exercise to understand this, and I will be removing the feature operation so that we can follow how we have created this. This is the very important technique to understand the creation method, and this is the sketch which we have created, and we have extruded this to the required distance, and after that we have added the side extension by extruding the side edge. These three edges we have extruded, and we can select the direction vector as Z for giving the height. Then again we have created this top patch. Again we added the side boundaries, this one. Then we trim the sheet for getting the final shape which is embossed. And even this particular case I will discuss how you can create an emboss very quickly when I will discuss in my coming classes about emboss. Then we applied this feature here. Again we trim the sheet. Trim the sheet is basically to create the hollow which will be merged with this embossed portion. Then again you apply the extrude to add this side surface. This side line you will extrude. Then we trim the sheet here. The trimming sheet is done through this particular sketch. The sketch we have created first, then we trim that with respect to this, then we sew all this portion, then we applied a dart here, and then we mirror that dart to the other side. This is the plane which we have to create. Then we sew this and finally apply the thickness to this whole element. So these are the primary steps which you have to follow to create this project, and you can directly get the trim option, bounding plane and dart, and finally you mirror and thicken it. So in this way you directly can create this type of critical object where fundamentally you start with the primary sketch. I will show you the final output once again. This is the mirror portion which you have done. If you do anything wrong in between, that feature will be violated. So you have to take care about the trims, sew and dart, so that the mirror instance will be depending on this dart, and whenever you change this dart, automatically, if you see I am changing to this, automatically the mirror portion is going to affect. Thank you.